وَلَا تَمْشِ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَرَحًا. When you walk on earth, don't walk with haughtiness. No haughtiness. Haughty means I'm feeling high and big. I'm the big man. Everyone else is small. Wallahi, no matter who you are, what you are just normal. It's temporary that Allah allowed you to have a certain position. You may have to rise to the occasion sometimes. You happen to be a prime minister. No problem. You rise to the occasion. You'll have to drive in your motorcade. You'll have to do certain things. You might have a few guards and so on. Deep down, you're still just a human being. Remember that. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Remember that. That's one example. But the same applies to all of us. Today you have something. Don't allow that to make you walk on the earth in a haughty way. إِنَّكَ لَن تَخْرِقَ الْأَرْضَ وَلَن تَبْلِغَ الْجِبَالَ طُولًا. In another place in the Quran, Allah says, what do you think you're going to do by walking haughty? You think you're going to get up to the mountains? Or you think you're going to make a crater on the earth by stamping? So on. وَقَصِدْ فِي مَشْيِكَ. Walk in a moderate fashion. When you walk, when you're in the public, remember to fulfill the rights of the people. What are they? Firstly, you lower your gaze. All Muslims, male and female, lower your gaze. You don't have to keep looking at every single thing. One wonders, why is that the teaching of faith? To protect your contentment.